Good morning. You almost ready to leave for work?
Yes, good morning. I'm Sean Puz, Metal Shop Designs, Badass Rad Rod, Central Florida here. Doing a raw uncut version video for some possible TV programs for cars. We're looking forward to that. So let's get with it. We'll go meet Aaron, my protege. Ready?
Yep, let's go.
All right, I gotta go. The traffic this time of morning is terrible. Hopefully it's a fairly quick ride to work.
Hopefully it's 10 o'clock, so it shouldn't be so bad by now. No, thank you. I'll walk you out to the car.
Hot out
It is. It's warm. It's humid. You taking the car or the truck?
I'm taking the car.
Taking the car today. Have a good day, honey. I'll talk to you later.
See you shortly.
Okay. Bye.
Traffic wasn't too bad today. It was terrible yesterday.
Had a lot of stuff in the way.
Yeah. Hey, Ron, good morning.
Yeah, buddy, good morning.
This is Aaron, which is A-A-R-O-N, right?
That is it.
That's it.
That's how we spelled it last time.
Well, at least that's what's on the pay stub, right?
There you go.
So tell us about yourself, Aaron.
Let's see where I start.
All right, that's enough. So
Alright.
here we have the car. This is one thing we're working on right now. All handmade. From Wild to Wild we go. Let me see. Introduce you to Mrs. Cameraman, woman. Actually, light got you there.
Hi guys, light coming.
This is Donna Donay. If you're in,
Donate if you're nasty.
if you're in Oshak Hennessy School.
There you go.
So okay, Donay. So this is what we're about. Like I said, this one is all handmade. The whole car, frame, suspensions. I mean, the whole thing's handmade. 1936 Packard body only, which will be extensively modified. And what you working on there, Aaron?
We're running a little power wire.
Cool. Cool. Aaron's good with that stuff. Just got Aaron a short bit ago, fitting in fantastic. Hard to find younger people, not like old folks like me. That,
He's so sweet.
want to get their hands dirty and work on stuff, right, Aaron?
Yeah, that's right, bud.
So he's doing a good job. I love it, and wants to learn. That's the biggest thing. We think we can handle whatever comes our way. Right?
Anything and everything.
That's right. We take it to another level, or make our own levels. Right?
Whole new level.
Yeah, a whole new level. We're gonna check out the back of the car real quick. Back of the car and like this seat, is handmade, my design. All this artistic stuff going on. And the back is just gonna be as crazy as the front. You know, custom fuel tanks. AA Ron cut those all out for us and stuff. So what are we gonna do today, Aaron?
I'm thinking tequila.
Tequila. Good, but
Yeah.
before that, what are we gonna do?
I say we work on the old hot
Work
rod.
on the hot rod?
Yeah.
Cool. Maybe we'll get some of this wire going. So again, this is our raw and uncut version of our, consideration for the TV show. Hopefully, this will work out good, and you get to see a lot more of us, right there.
Hopefully.
We no one's gonna compare. Well, at least one good-looking guy, anyway.
I try and compete every day.
I know.
Yeah, the
It's
girl.
all good, right?
Push-ups and all that kind of stuff. But
Yeah, we do have another shop going in right next door, adjacent to this building, so it'll be a 40 by 60. All this Bailey equipment we got here, right over here. Bam, that's where it's gonna go, 40 by 60. So we're gonna add on to the shop, and that way we have a lot more room to do this stuff. Right, Aaron?
Yeah, more room the better, man.
Yeah.
Let's make some cool shit.
Bigger's better. That's right. So, I guess that's about it, right? Anything else you want to say?
I don't know. Am I allowed?
You say whatever you want. This is right. We're not on TV yet. We got
Oh, okay.
so,
Gotta get there first.
Yeah, at least wait till we're on TV, then
No,
start me. That way you still have a job.
There you go, right? Yeah, employment's key.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm in it to make some cool stuff and see where we can take this business and
Yeah. Sweet. No, that's what it's all about. I think we got the best shot, right?
for sure.
I think so. I mean, look at this.
It's beautiful.
Mild to wild. Like I said, we can get it. We'll handle it. Right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Over and out. Thank you for your consideration, and look forward to hearing something back.
Thank you guys.
Bye, guys.
See ya.